Belly fat not only looks bad, but it is also a storehouse of many internal problems such as diabetes, heart disease, and more. This produces toxins that affect the functioning of your organs and put you at a high risk of diseases like type 2 diabetes. And if you are trying to lose the flamp around your waist, you have to start by eating a fiber-rich diet and you need to have an active lifestyle. Take out 30 minutes from your schedule every day for exercise. Burning calories is the key to reduce abdominal fat. Here is a few exercises for your abdomen to be fit and help you to be strong. One of the best exercises that you can do for your core is a plank. It helps to improve your posture by building isometric strength. Go down on the floor in the press-up position, then put the weight on the forearms while bending your elbows from a straight line through your body from shoulders to ankle. Suck your belly button into the spine and hold on the position for some times and relax and hold the pose to 8 to 10 seconds and repeat the same 5 to 6 times. It helps to maintain proper posture and reduce stress on the spines and hence help to prevent back issues. Extend your legs and lie on your feet and hips. Rest on the floor on the top of each other. Place your right elbow under your shoulder while contracting your core muscle. Lift your hips and knees off the floor. Hold the position for a few seconds and repeat the same. Strengthening the abdominal muscle is the advantages of this exercise. Start by lying flat on the floor mat face up. You can put your arms behind your head. Keep your lower body still and move your upper body towards your knees. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Make sure that your neck is not straightened during this exercise. Do this 10 to 15 times. Sit on the floor mat and bend your knees slightly. Your heel should be flat on the mat. Now start leaning back till you feel that the muscle of abdomen engaged. Now bend your knees and raise your upper body towards the knees. Hold your arms straightened in front of your face. Slowly twist from one side to another side. You could try holding a ball or weight when you're moving from side to side. It is the fastest way to burn the belly fat and are very easy to do at home. First of all, you want to lie down flat on the ground, lift your upper body off the floor and exhale as you go up and inhale as you come down. Repeat this process for the few minutes and relax. If you like this exercise, then do it in your home and share your experience with people who are interested by commenting it on the comment box.